Hello, this is Dr. Kenneth Watanabe, and I will continue to go over some of the new features added to the queries in Database Table Maker version 3.2. In version 3.0, when you click on the query data tile, it prompts for a database and table name, and then you click OK, and then it allows you to enter the query criteria. Um, here, in version 3.2, it no longer prompts for the database name, since the database name here is entered in the settings tile. But we can select the different tables here, and 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 this drop down will show which tables are available, which queries are available. Um, if I want to create a new query, I can just type in a unique name here and a description: all specimens for patients born after 1990, for example. And then here I can select the fields to query on. I can select from any field in the specimen table or its parent tables. So in this case, the visit table is a parent of the specimen table, and the patient table is a parent of the visit table. So we can select where the patient date of birth is greater than or equal to 1990, and the specimen type is blood. Now notice this drop-down gets updated when I select the specimen type, so that the drop-down will only allow me to select valid specimen types. And then I'll put parentheses around here so that these will the specimen types criteria will be evaluated first before the patient date of birth. I also want this to be an or statement, so it's blood or urine, and the patient date of birth is greater than 1990. So, and you notice I can select, so for instance, if I selected the state, this drop down will be all just different states, or if I selected units, the drop down will change to be just units. Okay, so in version 3.2, I can also select which columns I want to display. I can manually select the columns to display, and I can adjust the column label so the column label will print the value that I want. I can also click this load all to load all the fields that are available, and then edit this accordingly. So, for instance, let's say I don't want any information about the city, state, or zip code of the patient. I usually would like the patient information to be displayed first, so I'll adjust the sort order of these fields, and then I'll do the visit date and visit type, and I'll turn off these visit fields, and then finally I'd like to put the specimen information on my query. So let's add the specimen fields. 9, 10, 11, 13, and the status. And then I don't need the location. So now I can save and exit. And then when I go back in, the fields will be displayed in a proper order. And I can modify the column labels. Let me just change this to first and last, and save. Now I can execute the query, and now you can see it displays only the columns I wanted it to display, and notice the column headers were adjusted to the values that I wanted. Okay, and that's it for the queries. Um, if you want to download the software, you can download it from kennewatanabe.com under the Bioinformatics pull down. Just click this download button and follow the installation instructions. Please feel free to test it out. If you like the software, please feel free to make a donation. This is my only source of income. And thank you for watching the video.